Today I'm going to transform this tired old door that I found in a thrift store. We're going to transform it into something stunning. I'm going to be using pure Artisan gloss black paint, which I believe is the best trim and door paint on the market. I've given the door a light sanding and a good wipe down. The paint is stirred. Don't forget to stir your paint, and I'm ready to go. One wonderful thing about this plant-based paint is that it flows on so easily. I'm going to let this dry. The coverage is fantastic, and the second coat is going to be very quick. Well, it's been about an hour. It's dry to the touch. It looks absolutely amazing. I could actually leave it just like this. It would be perfect, but there's going to be more. My idea is to paint the inner panels in a nice charcoal shade. I've already put some black paint in this container. I'm going to add some white paint to get the shade that I want. Always best to do a little retest before moving on to the project. I've let this dry and it's looking perfect. Yep. Let's do it. For this next step, I'm going to use a micro brush with tapered bristles, allowing me to cut into the edge of the panels easily. I'm not taping off the edge of the panel that I'm painting. It doesn't matter if I go over the edge a wee bit. There's another step, and you'll see that shortly. This isn't really going to need much of a second coat. It's looking really good. Well, before I do the final step, I'm going to let it dry 48 hours because there's taping involved. Well, that was quick. I'm masking off the molding that frames the panels on the door with a high quality painter's tape. I have some paint left over that I used to paint the panels. All I have to do is to add some white and we're good to go. So now for the fun bit. Always remember when you're removing tape, pull it to the side and away from the painted edge. Never ever pull it up. It's looking nice. I'm really happy with this. And that's what I call a nice clean edge. This is a really nice, easy makeover. This is how you take a cheap box store door and turn it into something unique and expensive. I love black doors and trim, but this is taking it to another level. And why not?